Of the airplane, Jimmy Franklin at the controls of the airplane. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the only and nobody does wing walking on a jet-powered airplane anywhere in the world besides Kyle Franklin. When you think of a father-son outing, you probably think of going fishing. For Kyle and Jimmy Franklin, it's let's do some wing walking on my jet-powered Waco. Have some fun. Now watch as Jimmy gets that Waco as slow as he possibly can. He'll bring it back to show center. I call your attention to the left side of the airplane. Look in between the wings. You'll see Kyle step carefully onto the fabric wings and walk towards the center of the airplane. His legs are out. Remember, no ropes, no tether, no cables, no parachute. It is hand over hand, his strength against the relative wind trying to push him off of the airplane. As he crawls up onto the top wing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mr. Kyle Franklin giving his father the thumbs up. Let's get it started. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you're watching an incredible, awesome sight. As Kyle Franklin takes us back in some ways to the barnstormers of nearly a century ago. In many other ways, this is like nothing that's ever been seen before. The aircraft with a jet engine on the bottom. Kyle Franklin on the top wing of the airplane. His hands out. His father step rolling the airplane down towards show center, bringing it right down onto the deck. As Kyle Franklin says, he says, come on, Dad, you can do better than that. Jimmy Franklin says, let's do a Cuban 8. Make that figure 8 on its side at show center. Top wing of the jet-powered Waco. That jet engine swung underneath the airplane. Imagine the feeling of freedom being on the top wing of that airplane. Absolutely nothing around you. Your view of the world is unobstructed. You're right side up. The next moment, you're upside down. Kyle Franklin sees nothing but the skies over the Quad City Airshow. Now he sees the ground rushing up to the airplane as his father snap rolls the airplane. He mixes up his milk and Wheaties right about now.